Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and here are professional flares in PSD file for Photoshop and some other for Adobe Illustrator. But these are protected. First you need subscription. Go to sherryskpwd.com and just one-time payment for lifetime access, and then you have access of my all file. Okay, here 50 beach. First preview. Okay, and next here 58 pack, I mean 58 flare. Open this one, beach party. These files are pst pool night, summer party. That's mean all files are fully editable. You can customize in Adobe Photoshop. And same thing here, main file pst and event poster beat conference flare for Adobe Illustrator. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.